end this week's video, we're going to give you a little tip or help you get some inspiration for what you can take away this summer in your weekend getaway bag. I travel a lot because of my other job. I do have another job, by the way. So what I take personally is I'd always pack a pair of shorts, a pair of jeans, 2 t-shirts and a long sleeve jumper or sweater. So in my bag I've got my JE02 long sleeve thumb hole t-shirt, which is perfect for the summery nights because the material is so thin, but it does keep you warm as well. And I've got my summer sets, obviously, because it's the summer, it goes very nice. And I've got my 2 JE03 t-shirts that go with almost anything and any style that you want. Moving on, obviously, we'll pack 1 pair of shoes that can go with any outfit, and I will probably choose my Arigatos because they're white. I know white is a bit hard to obviously keep clean, but I always go for white because white goes with anything. So that goes in there, alongside a backpack because you need somewhere to carry your passport with. When you're traveling, make sure you don't forget your passport. That's one of the main things. My iPad, my headphones, and 2 of my favourite books. I love reading when I'm traveling. I don't know about you guys, so let me know, if you like reading, what books you are into, because I always want inspiration as well. Toiletries is always important, very minimal. Lotion, Martin Brown, boom. Deodorant, Martin Brown. Deodorant, Martin Brown. Favourite aftershave, Abercrombie Fitch. I know some of you will probably be like, ooh, but it's just an everyday essential for me. I love the smell, I've loved it since I was a kid. And Astabita Endurance and Recovery. I play sports, so it's good for me to take it every day. Yeah, and that is the perfect bag for a weekend getaway. Thanks for watching this week's JE London YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Follow us online on Instagram at jelondon.uk. Let us know in the comment section below what you think, and we look forward to seeing you again very, very, very soon. Ciao.